Well, this is live. It's just gone 9 o'clock. I'm listening to Broadcasting House on Radio 4. And if anyone thinks I'm going out today, you're going to have to jump. All work is cancelled. Wow. Now, it has been worse, I have to tell you, but I just thought I'd show you this one. A little drop of Irish mist. For those that don't believe me, and I won't be going down to penny dinners today, or will I be going down to the Imperial for afternoon coffee and cakes, nor will I be having my normal glass of water filled with tea. Oh, I'm going to starve to death. Now, it's been very heavy all night, I have to tell you, but that's just to show you. God, shut that door quick.